Debit call spread tutorial with Market Chameleon. This is what we're doing today. Now last week I've done 1 or 2 videos about debit call spread. I want to keep going with all the filters. Every time that you find a new strategy on Market Chameleon, there's at least like 5 to 10 filters to explore and just find some trade opportunities and filters and just go and do what you do. So before we even go and read about debit call spreads screener, we are gonna do a quick disclaimer. Feel free to read it and know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment, educational purposes only. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. With that being said, let's get started. So first things first, after you sign up, 7 days trial, link in the description. How to even get here, go to screeners right here and vertical spread. The first one is bull call spread debit. We also did a put credit spread right here, but for this tutorial we're gonna focus again on bull call spread. Now, very simple. Market Chameleon tells you why would you do a bull call spread, or more exact, when to do it. When the outlook is a bullish market. Today the market is up over 1% on all the indices, a bullish market, so this is a good opportunity to look for trade opportunities, trade ideas for a debit call spread. And it tells you debit call spread involves you buy a call option for expiration at a particular stock, okay, and you also sell simultaneously another call option. So let's say the stock is at 100, you have a bullish market outlook, you buy the 105 call and simultaneously you sell the 110 call. Your goal, your assumption is the stock will go up from 100 to over 110. This is your max profit. Your max loss is if the stock stays below 105, because your call buying is at 105. So you need the stock to go above 105, and your max profit is if it goes to 110 and beyond. So we got all those filters that are not a super filter. That's the word. And we got over 1,600 pages. I don't want that. I want high market cap. I want over 70% win rate. I want theoretical edge right here that gives me more income. Or in this case, let me pay less for the call debit spread. So we're gonna use the Market Chameleon presets right here, and if you click on it, last videos we covered the first few, okay, so you can watch those videos. But let's do something else in here. This is what I like. We're gonna do 2 today and the next video. Let's go over by, let's say, best by win rate plus 10 edge. I like to do seasonality. Okay, seasonality bullish play. Let's see what else we got here. Positive order flow sentiment, interesting. Stock uptrend plus theoretical edge. So the stock uptrend, this is a technical indicator. Seasonality bullish, this I will do for sure. Best downside cushion plus 10% edge, and best by win rate. Let's do best by win rate because I like the win rate. So that means, hey, 99% win rate, whatever, plus 10% edge. The edge again means you are paying for this specific scenario, you're paying less for your debit call spread compared to history. So let's pick this one, best by win rate plus 10% edge. And if you want to watch the other the filters, check the other videos that I've done last week. So let's click best by win rate plus 10% edge. Now it filters us a couple of things. Next 30 days for expiration. The spread between the strike is $500. So the max that you are on the hook is 500 minus, of course, what you pay. It's never 500 because you need to live and make a profit. Ex dividend, it says after expiration or none. Very nice. Now it doesn't do anything about earning date or company date. That means If you're bullish on earning day, you leave it in any. Theoretical edge is what I said, above 10%. That's good. That means the higher the theoretical edge, the less you pay for the debit call spread. Okay, you can read it in here. Current market price of the spread is a good deal in relation to theoretical value calculated from historical distribution, and theoretical win rate above 50%. I'm gonna change this to like above 80, but we'll see what we got in a minute. Show best only by theoretical wedge, theoretical win rate by symbol. Okay, so you can play around with this, but I'm gonna leave the filters alone. And from 1,600 pages we are down to 15 pages only. And my focus is a high market cap stock. So we got Apple, Google, Amazon, Berkshire, Tesla, Avego, a lot of Walmart in here, Nevo. Okay, this is just the first page. Visa and Oracle have earnings later today. So let's just start and see what we got. We got ourselves Apple for the example. Price today $220. It filters by market cap right here. And it tells you theoretical edge 14.5%, win rate 58, okay, for October 2nd. I don't want over 50%, I want the highest. So I'm gonna filter this one. I'm gonna click on the win rate twice because I want the highest win rate. However, I want it on a high market cap stock. Okay, so if I can't find it in here, MU, NVU, I want all those apples again. Okay, so in order to find all those apples again, we're just gonna go by market cap, but then we're not gonna focus on one by one. We're just gonna focus on a high market cap. We can also filter, instead of above 50%, I wanna do above 80%. Let's see what we got above 80% in the win rate. Okay, so this, instead of 15 pages, now we have 5 pages, but we eliminated all the first one, and we got Walmart. We got a lot of Walmart in here, so let's see what we got. All of them over 80%, 82%. So let's see what we got. Walmart, all of them for October 4th. Interesting. It says C, which is company event. What's the event? Piper Sandler Growth Frontier Conference. Okay, I don't think this is specifically for Walmart. It's not like Apple Day, or I don't know if there's a Walmart Day, but they should make a Walmart Day, just an FYI. So let's see what we got. Got percentage return if the stock is flat. Those are all green. That's good. So let's see. The price 77.31, market cap 600 billion plus. And it tells you that the price right now for the debit call spread is $291 compared to $337. This is your edge, 15%, 20%, 14%, 26%. This is also good. Let's focus on this one. But let's go by the first one and then we'll see what we see. Okay, 82% win rate. I don't want to get confused anyone. So the price right now is 77.31, and the trade itself, you see here, you buy the 74 call, you sell the 78 call. And again, remember this. Why would you do it? Because you have a bullish outlook on the market. Your max profit is if Walmart goes from 77.31 to over 78 by October 4th. That's it. And this is your max gain, $109, and your max loss is $291. When is your max loss? If Walmart goes below 74. But again, you are bullish, you assume it will go higher. Now, I want to see the highest edge. The highest edge, if all those are the same, this is very important. If all the win rate is the same, I'm going to go with the trade opportunities for me, not a financial advice, not for you. It's up to you. 26.8%. Look what it means. It means that you are paying a lot less than what you should have paid. You're only paying for this debit call spread $125 compared to $159. That's a $35 savings. If you do 10 of those, that's like 1,250 compared to like 1,600 bucks. That's $350 savings. This is your edge. Again, win rate in here, this is very rare. I don't think I've seen this before. The win rate is all the same, over 82%. And the trade itself for this one, 26% edge, is the 76. You buy the 76 calls, you sell the 78 calls again for October 8th. So this is even for small accounts, because this minus this is the max risk minus your profit, minus your collateral as well. You are gaining, your max profit is 75 bucks. Your max loss is 125. Your max profit is if Walmart again is above 78. Your max loss is if Walmart below 76. And if the stock doesn't go anywhere, you still made 4.4% positive return on your money, which ain't bad at all. So yeah, those are the trade opportunities for this. I mean, there's other stuff. All this Oracle today, they post earnings. That's why you never know with earnings. That's something to consider. But if you're bullish on the market or on Walmart in specifically, there's 82.4% chance of a win rate for this debit call spread. This is an interesting 26.8% edge. I mean, that's up to you. But I like this trade, not financial advice. Market Chameleon for more trade ideas for you to find and filter by yourself. Feel free to also let me know in the comments which trades you have done. 7 days link below. In the next video, we'll probably do seasonality, but I hope this was valuable. I'll see you next time. Yeah.